wanna rise up. Get up, get up, get up, just wake yourself up.
I would like to encourage all our learners, and I'm sure today after they viewed the film, they will be very much encouraged to follow their talents, and we applaud the talent of our learner. We are very much proud of her. She's a good student. She's very intelligent.
When I was young, washubawati mfanunga kivapi nomanzi maganjani. When I was young.
Igama lami Isithembiso lapha kusekhula abasha high school lapho kufunda khona uOlwethu Cele. Olwethu umfundi ngathi ubhabhu esikoleni uphiwe kahle kahle into mangabe uyayenza usuyenza kuzo zonke izinto mangabe uyayenza into ukhombisa ukuyimisela ngaso sonke isikhathi umfundi nje okwazi ukuthi engathi engaqhuquzela ngisho nabanye abafundi ngezinto azenzayo.
My name is Mr. Scobie. I'm the principal of Imbongi High School in Ntuzuma. The school, as you have seen it, it's a high school in the middle of the township. We're very excited. This morning we had assembly and we encouraged the learners to come and see what Olwethu has been involved in terms of the production of the film. So as a school, we are very proud, much as we do not have a program of the arts in the FET phase. But we are excited that some of our learners do follow the arts and not only the core curriculum of the school, and they are exposed to other means of making a livelihood.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nihlanganyele kanye nathi kulesi sikhathi samanje. Nizobona umsebenzi owenziwe umfundi wenu emuvi le ebhalwe uOlwethu Enkomeni. So sizonibonisa wona umsebenzi before uye kuma-television amakhulu, because that's the main aim ukuthi ubone koMzansi Magic.
La 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 la. Isithembiso sikamama siyeza nawe. La la. Lindele isithembiso. La 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 la.
Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi izingane uma ngabe sifundisa lento esifundisa zona ziphutha into practice. So kuyinto enhle kakhulu ukuthi ba implement. So into enhle kakhulu futhi angakwazi ukuthi aphile ngakho, angagcini ukuthi akwenze eklasini kuphela kodwa akwazi ukuthi aziphilise ngakho.